Hey guys, this is Jared Culp. If you wanted an ab workout, you came to the right place. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an ab workout. So get ready to do it with me. So let's get right into it. 30-second jumping jacks. Second lying flutter kick. 30-second mountain climbers. 30-second plank. 20-second abdominal crunches. 20-second Russian twist. 20-second leg raises. 20-second bicycle crunches. 30-second V-up. 30-second lying flutter kick. 20-second abdominal crunches. 30-second cobra stretch. 20 seconds, spine lumbar, twist, stretch left. Second, spine lumbar, twist, stretch right. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with a friend, and I will see you in the next one.